This lesson is multiplying whole numbers and decimals. When you multiply whole numbers and decimals, you multiply as usual and simply ignore the decimal as you multiply. When you've finished, you count the number of decimal places in the factors and you put the decimal the same number of places in the product. Let's see an example and show you what I mean. Let's start with this problem. 9.36 times 4. We just multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry our 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Carry our 1. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. Now, we need to go back and see that we had 2 places behind the decimal in our multiplication, the top factor. That means we must have 2 places behind the decimal in our product. So we count over this way, 1, 2, and our decimal will go there. Our answer is 37 and 44 hundredths. Let's do some more. 15.09 times 8, let's multiply. 8 times 9 is 72. Write down your 2, carry your 7. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7. 8 times 5 is 40. Write down your 0, carry your 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Now let's count the number of decimal places. We had 2 here, which means we must have 2 here. So we count over, we place our decimal. Our answer is 120 and 72 hundredths. Let's practice some more. 34.16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Write down our 6 and carry our 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. 6 times 4 is 24. Write down our 4, carry our 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Now let's count our decimals. We had 2, which means we must have 2 here. Count over 2 places, place your decimal. 204 and 96 hundredths is our answer. Let's do a couple of more problems just to practice. 23 and 21 hundredths times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Write down your 2, carry your 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Write down your 9, carry your 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. We had 2 places behind our decimal here. We must have 2 here. Count over, place your decimal, 139 and 26 hundredths. And our last problem, 52 and 72 hundredths times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Nothing to carry. 4 times 7 is 28. Write down your 8, carry your 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Write down your 0, carry your 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. We had 2 places behind our decimal. We'll need 2 places behind our decimal. Place your decimal. Your answer is 210 and 88 hundredths. That completes this lesson.